Look at the details. Oh my god, look at these glasses in this place. So you see how pretty back of the boat. So I've been changing clothes here. So this is absolutely stunning. Hoppy and the cornflower. Hey, good morning. How you guys doing? Welcome back to another vlog. I hope you guys are doing so well. I have loads of vlog on my camera roll that I have not managed to edit. I just keep vlogging. I just need to sit one day and edit a lot of my videos, because lately I have been creating content without even posting this content. Is absolutely ridiculous. Anyway, I'm going to my town center. I picked something up from Massimo Dutti the other day. I ordered online. It has been a while now, so I really need to return it. And I did some cutaways, so I could use those cutaways to do like what's new or what I bought recently. So I'll be showing you guys. So I'm just going to go return some of the things that didn't fit properly and get my money back, because I spent quite a lot of money ordering this stuff. So yeah, so I will be taking you guys to town, and yeah, we'll hide my address. So this is the box of things. Yeah, the jeans, they really, it couldn't really fit. I don't know if I've legitimately added weight, like I don't know, because I've been doing exercise a lot lately, so I don't understand how I could add weight. Or is it just like my body firming in the right direction, you know, or I don't honestly, is it muscles that is just developing areas? I have no idea. It really baffles me, because I feel so smug like on my jeans these days, and I've been doing exercise, so I'm not going to lie to you. So no, I'm quite pleased, I'm quite happy, I feel healthy. That is the most important thing. So I don't want to talk too much. Let's go to my local town. Let's return this stuff, you know. Sorry. All right. Basically, oh, sorry. My goodness, some people will just come from behind, excuse me, as if I should just hug the wall or something like that. Anyway, I'm in our local town. I think I'm going the wrong. For me to get to Massimo Dutti, I think it's better for me to come this way. Yeah. Ooh, it's so nice to be out. It's so nice when the sun is out. Everything is just honestly cheerful. It just really is nice. It just uplifts the mood. Like I just wore my green shirt today and a white jeans. So it's really lovely. I do like this time of the year, like late spring. It's just so beautiful. I think the weekend we're going to have like weather of, I think the weather is going to get to 26 degrees. So that will be like the hottest so far this year. So yeah, anyway, let's go return this thing and get some money back. I kept some things, so which is really lovely. I found myself a really nice belt. It's really cute. Hey guys, I am in the shop. They have some really nice stuff in the shop. I love that. So, look at these shirts. Basically, I saw a shirt that just instantly caught my eyes. Look at the details of the shirt. It's just honestly gorgeous, and I love the shorts. It's like a linen shirt. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I love dresses like this. So, oh my god, look at these glasses. I will have to try this glass on. How much is it? That glass is cute. Oh, that's just £25, so it's not too bad. I'll have to try this on. This one like a sleeve. But the trouser is not that long. Oh, this is good for beach, going to the beach. But it have like inner lining. I think you can take it off and put it back. So gorgeous. Show you guys what I am. So this is me. Let me show you. my god, I like this. I just love these slippers. It's just like so cute. Yeah. Wow. I like this. I'm just laughing myself here. So I went to Massimo Dutti to return stuff. Instead, I went in to buy more. Instead of me to just run with my money, I actually spent and spend more as well. So I don't even know how that is fair. So I went to Heart of Razor to go buy some shoes because this year I have 3 weddings that I'm going to. But at the end, I wasn't very inspired. So I did some clothes shopping. You're going to see that bit in a minute. It's just one shoe that caught my eyes there, but at the end I was just like, nah, I just left it. So see how I get on with the dresses. I just tried this dress on. This is from Made Velvet. I don't even know if I like it. It's a classic. It's a classic dress. I don't know. There's no, I don't know. There's no wow to it. It's just another summery dress. I don't know. There's another one here that I would like to try as well. Oh, this one is just, maybe I'm just the one looking at it like that. By the time I dress it up, maybe with a heel, handbag, maybe it might be something. Oh, not too sure. Nothing too special, and yeah. No, I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure. This dress is okay, but I am not sort of 200% sure. But it's nice. I like the print on this one. Like in the summer, it will keep me cool. It's not too clingy, and it fits on the shoulder really nicely. So I actually quite like that. So I don't really like here. Like, what is the point of here? I don't really know. You know, what is the point of this one? Well, I really like the print. I think I prefer this one to this one. I don't really know this. I don't really know. But the fitting is quite alright. It tends to carry this bag. It's a bit tight here. It's a bit tight inside. Hey guys, how you guys doing? So basically guys, I managed to motivate myself today to go create content outside for my Instagram and my TikTok. Like literally, let me face the sun. In the morning I'll be like sitting down like, oh, maybe I will do it, I'll do it. Like I have not shot content, even indoor, outdoor, for the longest time now. Trying to get back to the momentum is just I don't even know how to say it. It's just like so difficult, but it's already coming to 2 o'clock. I'm just managing to get into the car to go create this content. So I'm just managed to create, and it's half term as well. So my kids are going to be with me. So I will do it. So it took me ages to convince myself. But anyway, the makeup is on, hair done. So I'm looking really tantalizing. I'm looking really cute. So this is the first outfit that I will be shooting. It's just like a shirt and a trouser, just a baggy thing because it's summer. First day of summer basically. So let's go and try it. It took me forever, like 2 o'clock. I managed to step out of the house. It's not easy, guys. Content creation, creating content, it's not easy, especially when you're not making anything from it. It just makes the whole thing really difficult. But I'm just hoping that one day my own light will shine in my direction. Then I'll start earning from creating content. Anyway, let me start going before I start. So basically, guys, let me look for this one. So I just basically I just finished shooting content. So I went to our church to go shoot content, and I went to this beautiful ground here, this place, to shoot content. I don't know if you can. I wasn't showing you guys. So it's like a big estate, it's a big ground. So I was just going from one location to another. So you go through this place here, it will lead you. Let me just quickly show you. My kids are absolutely, they've had enough, to be honest with you, but I will just walk you down to quickly see. Let me run. so this yard is like this, and it's still kind of big over there, and the kids, they've been playing this way while I've been creating my content. Suddenly, you can't believe it, completely went quiet. There's nobody, there's no people here. So I've been so lucky using this place. So you see how pretty. Sorry, my kids are already in the car. I think in total I managed to get like 5 reels, so which is not bad, and I took some stills photos. So I'm going to go home and go release one of my first reel. The life of a content creator, before you know it, I've already spent like 3 hours with these kids, 2 kids, creating content. I don't even know how I managed to. People were looking. As always, I just pretend as if I'm not there. You just have to be oblivious, except if somebody should draw your attention. That's when you give them that attention, but if not, just do as if nothing is happening. And this is the back of the boat, so I'll be changing clothes here. When you create content, you don't want to involve your kids, you just want to be self-sufficient. Anyway, let me go before I start talking. Tomorrow is another content day for me, because I will be doing like indoor content, so not outdoor, so which is good. At least I've done a bit of outdoor. I'll be mixing my content with indoor and outdoor. So hi guys, I came for a walk with my friends and the kids. So we're just in a place called Whitway. This place is absolutely stunning. So I'll be showing you some of the plants that I can see around. Like, I just love these common daisies and the poppy and the cornflower. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. So this is absolutely stunning. The kids, they're just running everywhere. They're just everywhere.